Hi, my DIY friends. I'm bringing you into my kitchen today because I am so excited to show you some really fancy and high-end products that I got at such a great affordable price from Temu. Before we get started, I want to say hello and welcome. My name is Shannon from thedailydiyer.com, and I also want to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. Now, I'm not going to lie, the items that I'm going to show you today are actually still from my very first Temu order. I was so incredibly impressed with all the items that I got that I saved these items for their own video. So the reason we're in the kitchen today is because today's items are all fancy, high-end looking items that you can use for your kitchen. But if you're new to Temu and you want to see a wide variety of items that I purchased from there, you can go back to my last video where I share items that are from fashion, jewelry, pet items, some crafting supplies, home decor. That's a great video to watch to see kind of a wide variety of items and also my honest review. So I will link that video down in the description box below. That'd be a great one to watch next. Or maybe you're clicking on this video and you're wondering, what in the world is Temu? Well, let me tell you all about it. Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories, including fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and more. We have a dog, a puppy named Honey, and she definitely gets spoiled. I ordered her some Temu items. We loved them. She loved them too, so I recommend those. They offer top quality products at affordable prices so anyone can enjoy the conveniences and comforts of life. So you have a couple different options to shop. You can go to temu.com, or I recommend downloading their app. It's fun to scroll through and see all the awesome items and categories of items that they have. And it's even more fun to see the cheap prices that come along with it. You can download the app on Android and iPhone devices. And if you're still on the fence by the end of this video, I have a coupon code for you. It is sale 3479 that will give you an additional 30% off your purchase, which is crazy because the prices on these items are already so affordable. Grab that extra 30% off. You're also gonna get free shipping, and they also offer free returns up to 90 days. Now let me show you how to get that high-end fancy look for your kitchen today without the high price tag. Let's dive into the very first item. Sometimes it's the little things that can really make a big difference, and when I saw Temu had these cute little wooden spoons, I knew they would be perfect. So I've showed you these in the past, mason jars with these wood lids on them, but I could not find a cute little scoop to put in there. Guess what? These were the answer. I love my collection of canisters and was so excited to find these tiny spoons. They come in two different wood shades and fit down perfectly into smaller jars like this one that I'm using for my sea salts, or as I said before, mason jars, which I use for baking soda and cornstarch. They're only $1.87 for a set of two, which makes them less than $1 each. Perfect and so cute. I'm excited to share the multiple ideas I have using these wood trays, just under $11 when it arrived. It was so pretty, loving the wood grain on that. I'm going to pair it with also one of Temu's wood bowls. This was under $5. So we're going to pair this set together and use it as a very small charcuterie. I've been making these for my son as after school snacks, and we've sat down and kind of shared a snack together, and you just add whatever you want in there. So nuts, cheeses, chips, crackers, fruits, make your own little charcuterie out of it. Add a cheese knife if you have a variety of cheeses. Great for last minute guests that might pop over. Looks so nice too. This tray also works great as a cutting board, especially for citrus fruits like these lemons. So it catches a lot of the juice so it doesn't run off onto your counter. And we're gonna pair this also with one of Temu's pitchers. They look like glass, but they're actually plastics. This is safe for outdoor use. I always like to take plastic outside so we don't have any glass pieces get lost in the yard or something if something breaks. But just using the lemons to create some simple lemonade. And can you believe these cute little ripple glasses are also from Temu too? I'm going to share another idea with those. You can pop a little lemon onto the side. And here's the third idea. Use these wood trays as a serving tray. How cute is that? Fancy, but also very simple, quick idea too. I've been seeing these cute ripple glasses all over the place. They are so affordable with Temu, and they also have different sizes and colors. So definitely check them out. These I've also seen all over the place too are these gold spoons. So what a cute little setup next to your coffee bar or tea bar or hot cocoa bar, whatever your favorite hot drink is, and just kind of set it off to the side so you have it handy the next time you go to make a hot drink. I love these too. They are under $10. I've seen coffee mugs like this for over $25 before, so this is a great deal. They have the wood lids on them. They also have different colors in these as well, such as amber and a gray color. Mine is actually the colorful version, and I am so glad I went a little bit off track here, went a little less traditional, got the kind of rainbow glass vibes with this one, because once you add the hot drink to it, look how pretty those colors pop. And of course you add your cute little gold spoon to stir in your ingredients, pop your lid back on there. It keeps your drink warmer for longer, also makes a nice spoon rest, and you can enjoy your beautiful cup of coffee, hot cocoa, or hot tea. This has got to be the fanciest ladle I have ever owned. It is so pretty. Of course, this is beautiful wood, nice finish on it. But what I love about it most is it also has this hook on the end, so it doesn't fall down into your giant pots when you're using it. I wanted to give you a visual here. This is the largest stock pot that we own, and you can see here it just kind of clamps right down onto the side there, so it doesn't slide down into your pot. And at under $3 each, what a great price for a beautiful item. And again, you're probably gonna ask, what in the world is this? Or maybe if you bake a lot, you already know, but it's a really fancy whisk. These can be a little bit pricey when you go to the department store. Temu, you're gonna save a bundle. So Temu has this labeled as a Danish dough whisk. So I got online, did some research, found one at a more high-end department store, almost $30. So you are getting this 10 times cheaper than purchasing this at a high-end store. And honestly, this is just as good of quality, looks really nice, definitely has a thicker metal on it, so it should last and last. I have always wanted one of these spray oil bottles, but I never wanted to spend the money because I didn't know if I'd actually really like it or not. So at Temu, you can get one for less than $6. So I thought it was worth spending less than $6 to get one to give it a try. And I'm so glad that I did, because I actually really do like it. And for under $6, I mean, definitely worth the money for something like this. It's a nice glass bottle. There's different options for colors. And these are actually really nice. They have a nice glass bottle on them. You just add whatever oil you want into the bottle, and you can use it to spray onto your pans to make them non-stick. You can spray them onto salads if you have a vinaigrette you want to add. So really, really a nice fancy item, but definitely doesn't break the bank. I don't like having a lot of things on my countertops. I keep it pretty clean, pretty minimal, but this is my favorite thing I have added to our countertops that our whole family has enjoyed, is one of these metal gold baskets. It's so pretty, and having our fresh fruits and veggies at hand makes it to where we grab them and eat them more often, which obviously is more healthy too. So it looks nice and also practical. If you do any kind of entertaining, these tiered trays are so nice to have. They're $5.58. Can you believe that? They look so fancy, but you don't have to pay the fancy price tag to get these. They just twist together, which I love because you can take it apart after you're done with it. It stores flat, put it in a cabinet, pull it out the next time you need it. So cute to display fruits on, or like I'm showing you here, some small pastries or cupcakes. I want to throw a cleaning item into this video too. I have this tray with a little dish in it for my scrub brush and soaps by the sink. And obviously my scrub brush is looking pretty gross, and not gonna lie, but was so happy that Temu carries these same ones too. You can see the difference between the old and the new. These need replaced every once in a while, and it was definitely time for mine to go. So it's also nice that Temu has some really practical things too that you can use every day. It just looks so much nicer to have a nice clean brush sitting on the countertops now. So I've made it easy for you. If there was any product that stood out to you that you want to check out, you can just head down to the description box below and I've linked everything there. And don't forget to use the Daily DIYers special code SALE3479 that will get you 30% off your first purchase along with free shipping. And if you haven't yet watched my first Temu video, I will have that link popping up on your screen right now and linked down below. It'd be a great one to head over and watch next. It has a much bigger variety of products in that video, plus my honest review. If you could, please hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.